Hey everybody, I've made a video about this holder before. Ooh, needs to be cleaned. I put a little holder here. I 3D printed a little holder for this thing. I think I made a short for it. But it gets used and it's busted up a little bit. So I added some strength to it and I'm going to 3D print. I wanted to show you that today. So ignore my dirty kitchen. Let's go over here and look at what I did very quickly. Here's this little guy. It's just a hanger. I made it in Tinkercad. I want to tighten up a couple things here, so I'm going to ungroup it. It wasn't particularly hard to make, just lots of measuring. I want to smooth out my circles though. Did that work? No. Can you see what I'm doing? Smoothing out these circles. Just want it to be a little... Whoa! I did not know that was going to happen. Sides. Steps. Yeah, we need tube. Nope. Alright, I think that's about it. Select all. Group it. Now, you know what? Let's smooth out that guy too. This orange one. You see how bumpity that is? Select the orange one, smooth it out, select the whole, why not? Smooth it out. Will that give it strength? I don't know. But I added this little gusset. You see the blue one? So we will do that. I'm going to export it. I'm sure everybody has seen this before. Just exporting my file. Now, I have this setting all saved. Let's see. Where'd it go? You gotta remember the funny names, unless you name the stuff yourself. So I'm in Bamboo Studio. Is that where I'm at? And I've saved these settings before, so I know it works. I don't know what color this is going to print in. I can tell that these colors aren't the ones loaded in my SMR. So I can print green, white, gray, or orange. We could try orange. Let's just see what it looks like. Alright, so I'm going to make a multi-part video, and this next part is going to be time-lapse. So I'm going to stop the video here, and I'll catch back up to you later. Ciao! Okay, that was done printing. Let's take a look at what we got here. Oh, I see a little mistake. What do you guys do with these? Do you keep them? I made a brush. It's okay. This don't look right. You see the bottom is funky? What is going on there? Oh, well, let's see. This is the second one I've done. And what's going on with the clip? Everything else looks right. I'll go look at the file. What happened here? Off. All right, let's go see if this works. We'll take it upstairs. All right, well, let's try this thing, see if it works. Take the supports off. Kind of satisfying. I thought I had this thing pretty much dialed in. That does not look dialed in, does it? Oh no. That's pretty rough. It works, but it got kind of weird there. Probably just needs a brim on the bottom. It's funny how it stuck together and it kept printing. Funny. Well, here it is. That's all I wanted to show you. I put this little gusset in here for more support. And that's all. Happy videos. Bye.